for the environment, you
Let's get involved!
Do you know that 5.6 trillion cigarettes are being smoked in a year? Out of that, around 4.5 trillion cigarette butts become litter every year. Moreover, in a cigarette butt, it contains a filter made of 12,000 plastic-based fibers, which are non-biodegradable. Imagine, how long will a cigarette butt take to decompose? 50 days? 1 year? No, it takes around 18 months to 10 years. Not only that, in order to produce tobacco, a material in cigarette, deforestation had occurred to give way to tobacco fields. Now think again, how will all this have a negative impact on our environment?
Cigarette filters are used to reduce the amount of particles inhaled by the smoker when they smoke. However, the filters are non-biodegradable. Filters can take years to degrade. Littered cigarette butts almost never disappear at the rate that they are being thrown away. No matter how small they are, 4.5 trillion filtered tip cigarettes together equate to a significantly large amount of discarded plastic. This increases the landfill demand, and over time, this toxin leach into our soil and groundwater, and will become environmental hazards for years. Furthermore, cigarette butts can also be deadly. Researcher has found that one used cigarette butt placed into a liter of water will kill half of all exposed freshwater fish or marine fish.
Do you know that for every 300 cigarettes consumed, a tree has to be used? This results in millions of trees being chopped down for cigarette consumption every year. In some countries, such as Korea and Uruguay, tobacco-related deforestation accounts for more than 40% of the country's total annual deforestation. The negative effects of some large-scale deforestation include loss of natural habitat for millions of species, land erosion, loss of food production, and climate change.
Introducing our solution, biodegradable cigarettes. In place of the synthetic fibers in today's filters, bamboo fibers will be used. Bamboos are known to grow about 24 inches per day, reaching its maximum height within just 3 to 4 months, ready to be harvested. Extracted from the pulp of natural bamboo plants, the cellulose fibers are processed and used in the fabrication of such filters. These fibers are wholly biodegradable, leaving no harmful toxins behind. Furthermore, a seed can be embedded into our filter, turning it into a two-pronged solution for the aforementioned problems. Once discarded onto the areas with soil, the filters will decompose, eventually exposing the seed within. After it absorbs the surrounding water, it will germinate and grow into a flower. An assortment of seeds can also be used to introduce biodiversity into the area. As the flowers accumulate, in time, a sustainable ecosystem can be created, thereby reducing the adverse effects of deforestation.
The most ideal solution, of course, is to ban smoking completely. However, the choice to smoke is an individual's free will, and we should not infringe upon their personal rights. We definitely would not want a sea of smokers to start a protest. Instead of a green movement, we'll be getting a grey movement, grey for smoke. Biodegradable cigarette butts does not deny smokers of the pleasure they enjoy from smoking a good cigarette, but at the same time, it alleviates the problem of environmental degradation. This is a win-win situation for tree huggers as well as smokers. Watch our biodegradable cigarette butts bloom, bringing us one step closer to a greener world. And along the way, please take time to smell the flowers, especially if you grew them.
This smells good.
Heal the world, make it a better place.